Welcome to Money Mindset 1011. If you're serious about building wealth, you need to know where your money's really going. Today, let's talk about 10 things poor people waste money on and rich people don't. Number 1, lottery tickets. Hoping to get rich overnight. The odds are stacked against you. Wealthy people invest instead. They don't gamble their future. Number 2, brand new cars. As soon as you drive it off the lot, it loses value. Rich people buy smart, not flashy. Number 3, designer clothes to impress others. Image isn't everything. Wealthy people focus on assets, not appearances. Number 4, eating out daily. A $10 meal daily is $300 a month. That could go into savings or investments. Number 5, buying the latest tech. New phone every year? Not necessary. Smart money goes where it grows. Number 6, subscriptions they don't use. Netflix, Spotify, gym, apps. Are you using them all? Wealthy people audit their expenses often. Number 7, payday loans and quick cash services. These keep you poor. Build an emergency fund instead. Number 8, rent they can't afford. Living in luxury with an empty bank account is not the flex you think it is. Number 9, expensive hobbies without return. Hobbies are great, but if money is tight, pick low-cost or income-generating ones. Number 10, trying to impress others. Rich people don't care about looking rich. They focus on being rich. If you avoid these traps, you're already ahead. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on real money talk right here on Money Mindset 1011.